Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibu sana. In this channel Hakuna Matata. You're most welcome. For subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your support, for your comments, like and share. Wow, you're showing me so much love and I thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And for those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss anything that is happening in this channel. In this channel, we are learning so many things about resin, epoxy resin, UV resin, and also candles. So you're most welcome. Join us. In today's video, we are going to make flower vase. This client wants a flower vase, a mini flower vase with a little bit touch of gold. He doesn't want it to be too shiny, but again, he wants some little details. So we are going to use some flowers, dried flowers, natural dried flowers, epoxy resin as usual, and it is 2:1 ratio. Epoxy resin 2, hardener 1, 2:1 ratio by volume. So that is what we are going to use today. And for the colors, I'm going to use mica powder. So come with me to the end so you see everything. The first step, we are going to pour clear resin in our mold, like as you could see. First, that is the first step. Then we add the flowers, the dried flowers. I like to dip the flowers in epoxy resin before adding them into the mold or into whatever I'm making, because I avoid bubbles. That way I avoid bubbles, and also I make them settle, like they won't come up that much, so they won't distract me that much. At least they'll be a little bit heavier than then they'll go down. Yes, it will be easier to position them. That is my experience there. If anyone else has different experience than mine, please just comment it in comment section below so we can all learn. So, and after that, we are going to add our colors like that a little bit, because this one wants gold, but not even that bright gold, but the gold that is, it's just like a little bit touch of gold. So what we did is that we add gold, and I used diamond white for the color, just to make it shiny, a little bit shiny, but also the gold not too shiny. I don't know how to put it, but as you can see now, that is our vase. There we are demolding. As you can see, that is the result of our mold. As you can see, it came out so nice. I'm satisfied. I don't know, you tell me, how do you see it? Anyway, thank you so much for watching till this far. Thank you for being with me to this far. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you on the next video. Bye.